Ever wondered why certain financial choices become lifelong regrets? Imagine this. 20 years from now, will you wish you'd invested differently today? Think beyond stocks and cryptocurrency. We're diving into 15 investments you'll regret not making in the long run. And no, we're not talking about traditional investments only. This is about shaping a future where you look back and say, I'm glad I did that. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. By the end of this video, you're not just going to hear the same old investment advice. We're going beyond the cliches and exploring the unconventional yet highly impactful choices that will shape your life 20 years down the line. Number 1. Debt-free living. Have you ever considered that your financial liberation might start with ridding yourself of debt? It's not just about stock tips. Your debt could be costing you more than you realize. Picture this. Paying back a mortgage almost double its initial value, or the looming dark cloud of credit card debt. Being debt-free isn't just financial freedom, it's peace of mind, allowing you to sleep soundly without worrying about missed payments. Number 2. Real estate wisdom. Now, if you think the key to financial success is buying stocks, think again. Real estate, with its golden rules and catchy saying location, 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 might be your ticket to lasting wealth. Imagine owning property near a city and business center, where demand for rent remains constant. Think about the untapped potential of student housing near thriving universities, consistent cash flow, and a misalignment of market values. Number 3. Land ownership. It might sound crazy, but owning a piece of earth could be your gateway to generational wealth. The population is increasing, people are moving off the grid, and the gap between residential and agricultural land presents a unique arbitrage opportunity. Consider this. Buying land and building a home costs less than a city apartment, and yet the value placed by the market remains misaligned. As infrastructure improves, owning land becomes a strategic move for the future. Number 4. S&P 500 Index Fund. Forget trying to predict the next Amazon. There's a way to leverage the economic infrastructure of a money-hungry country. Enter the S&P 500. A basket of the top-performing companies bundled together for potential long-term gains. Index funds automate your investment toward efficient economic machines, the corporations. With 10 to 20% of your monthly income consistently invested, you won't need to time the market or handpick stocks. Your returns could surpass even the smartest Wall Street investors. Now, if you're finding these strategies exciting and valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on future insights and strategies for turning your passion into online income. Now, let's shift our focus to our next approach. Number 5. Art as an investment. Ever thought of art as more than just aesthetics? The world's wealthiest understand it as a valuable asset class. Buckle up as we unravel the mystery behind art as a sound investment. Dive into the demand for blue-chip art, surging auction data, and how platforms like Masterworks democratize art investment. With over 883,000 people on the platform, art investment becomes as accessible as buying shares. It's not just about pretty pictures. It's about building a profitable portfolio with cultural significance. Number 6. Invest in traveling. Traveling, often considered a luxury, is more than just a leisure expense. It's an investment that enriches your life in ways you can't imagine until you've done it. Explore the idea that spending on travel is an investment in personal growth. The farther you travel, the more your mind expands. Traveling creates experiences, stories, and a richer, fuller life. Triple your travel budget each year and watch how your perspective on life evolves. Number 7. Health is wealth. Every dollar invested in your health now pays off tenfold down the line. Consider it a preventive investment, because getting old doesn't have to suck. Imagine yourself 20 years from now, ridiculous health expenses, just to feel half as good as you do today. Prevention is key, and the cost of staying healthy is fractionally less than the price of treatment. Make your health a priority, not an afterthought. Number 8. Nurturing your relationship. Controversial, but hear us out. Your relationship with your partner is more critical than you might think. Let's dive into why nurturing this relationship is a lifelong investment. Understand the time dynamics. Your kids are around for 18 and 25 years, but Yo stays until the end. This investment isn't just about personal well-being. It's about creating a bond that lasts through thick and thin. Number 9. Investing in friendships. Friendships aren't just for socializing. They impact your entire human experience. Don't let the opportunity for genuine connections fade away. Explore the concept of friendship inflation, quality over quantity. True friendships are invaluable, and investing time in genuine connections enhances your overall life experience. Be there for your friends, and they'll reciprocate when you need it most. Number 10. Financial education. The decisions you make today shape your wealth 20 years from now. It's time to stop living with financial arrogance and start paying attention to your money. Consider financial education an infinite game. Reading self-help books, attending events, and making financial education a daily habit raise your financial thermostat. The more you understand the flow of money, the better your financial decisions become. Number 11. Spiritual and emotional health. Ever bottled up feelings, only for them to explode later? Your spiritual and emotional health matters more than you might realize. Reflect on the value of finding meaning in life and the peace it brings. Don't wait until you're 45 to start the search. This investment pays off in a fulfilling and balanced life. Take time to invest in your well-being and find your version of peace. Number 12. Social skills. Planning to hide behind introversion forever? By the time you're 30, being socially adept becomes a vital life skill, impacting your personal and professional circles. Dive into the compounding ability of charisma, confidence, and social skills. These underrated life skills open doors, expand your network, and make you a valuable presence in various spheres of life. Number 13. Shaping your home as your haven. Your home should be a sanctuary, evolving as you progress from one stage of life to another. Let's discuss the significance of curating your space. Collect items that bring peace, from favorite slippers to kitchenware. Your home reflects your identity and influences your daily well-being. Imagine waking up every day in a place that resonates with your soul. Number 14. Documenting your life. Humans have a time bias. What seems ordinary today becomes valuable in the past. Documenting your life isn't just about capturing moments. It's about creating a meaningful narrative for your future self. Emphasize the exponential value of photos and videos over time. Encourage viewers to create a visual journey on a private channel, serving as a time capsule. Because 20 years from now, those everyday moments will be the most cherished. And lastly, number 15. Being okay with who you are. The broad yet profound investment in mental health and societal relationships. This is about finding authenticity and embracing it. Dive into reflections on personal growth, breaking free from societal expectations, and finding your voice. A life lived authentically is a life well lived. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Invest in becoming the best version of yourself. Reflect on the holistic approach. These 15 investments aren't just about money. They're about creating a life of fulfillment, purpose, and connection. As you navigate your financial journey, remember, it's not just about wealth. It's about building a life that you won't regret 20 years from now. Now, which of these 15 investments resonate with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. So, if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights to join us in revealing the secrets behind fortune, only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.